Alright, volunteer garage fans, day number 3 on the door panel.
Yes.
With Stephen Baines from Perm Racing. I ended up welding a nut on the inside of this door lock actuator. It's not coming apart at all. We're going to get his truck put back together today, and he'll be able to go on his merry way and go back to his tent and get everything organized for tonight, because actually it's December here in Tennessee and it's 70 degrees almost.
That's why I'm living in a tent.
It's tent life.
Tent life. Okay, I need to flip it.
Yeah, we just need to get that bolt lined up. Oh, you're getting closer to the prize. Oh, I'm seeing it.
Why is it being like?
Because it's easy to put back together now.
I mean, like, why is it not wanting to flip on me?
What do you mean?
Well, it needs to.
Is the wiring in the way, holding the actuator?
I don't understand why it's.
There you go. Down a little, right there. Hold that thought.
Yeah, you can tell it's like a backhoe. Backhoes are the loudest things.
Yeah, they just pulled up just a minute ago.
Yeah, I'm digging that into the house.
I wonder where septic tanks actually will freaking work, not this Craftsman junk.
Right now, after you've had snap on, and you
Look at that. Bam!
after you,
Look at that. That is just nice engineering. All right, you're ready for your. Well, we gotta put this back together. This one bolt goes in on the window track. Hang on, let's get the window track. It goes in right here. Hold that for a second. This window track bolt in.
How thrilled are you to have this done, Mr. Cook?
Well, after 3 days, well, we didn't really get anything done yesterday because
No, the nut needed to be tack welded to the door lock actuator.
I have a welder with me last night either.
Yeah, you should always carry one with you.
All right, you're ready for your door panel.
All right.
I'll hold this. And the wind starts blowing like crazy.
maybe I should have.
So it wasn't too hard.
I just checking around. Still far down the yard.
Redneck it up. As long as you do it with a Marlboro red cigarette with the filter ripped off.
Yeah, I was trying to see if I had any pins still left in this, but yeah, I did.
You do. I was looking at it this morning. I was kind of wondering the same thing.
I like the random blast on this.
The random what? Oh yeah. Think anything ever popped out and got hot right there?
Yeah, I never noticed that.
It's alright. One of my green truck had that too. Bam, son, you're taped.
Alright,
We'll run this up there. Hold it up. I'll get this gut in the right direction there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
Alright, now we gotta open the door.
I'll hold this and put the light in.
Yeah.
The custom new LED, sponsored by me. On the eBay place I got it from. Alright.
That's like super bright.
Door latch open. Let the shit show begin. How the hell did you take this thing off? Is it like this?
Yeah, you have to open the door.
Here. Looks like you've done this before. I'll hold it. You had it like at an angle, a weird angle like
Yeah,
that.
it has to. Yeah, you have to open it.
Can we not take the handle off? Or is it so hard? Oh, there you go.
How would you do that, Jay?
I don't know. I'll let you do the rest.
Okay.
There you go. Hey, the toothpaste shirt cleaned up pretty nice.
Yeah, yeah. Really do.
Oh yeah, screws to hold it in.
Screwdriver. I'm just trying to remember what screws where.
Wherever they can fit.
I had like a big one. The short one. I think it went
Oh, the almighty screwdriver.
what head went where. I guess I just had a big old head.
In there. There you go, sir.
Yeah.
You Get that screw started in there and get it tightened. Get your door panel on there. Man, you're not going to know what to do now. Your truck's going to be like back together.
I know. I just need to buy a set of tires.
Wow, you're just like living it up. Not giving a... Yeah. Yeah, sorry. That's all I could find at the moment. Dang, look how bright that is.
Super bright.
Super bright.
How's this not lining up?
That little bracket off inside there. The wind is picking up now, ain't it? You hold that?
Yeah.
Screw your rivets.
I'm missing out some serious screws.
You're missing some serious ones? Well, I can get more. They sell them all the time.
I'm not lining up. Oh.
That's like the fixed crack, no longer. Panel bond. Oh, I didn't see that. I could have fixed that while we were in there. What's the dealio, my friend? You pick up on the door panel a little bit? Well, you already got this one up here, don't you? So it should be lined up. Somewhat.
This one's lined up. I'm just missing one right there.
You're already missing one before.
Okay.
Yeah. I look back in the footage from the first night of this fiasco. Don't forget the one that goes in there.
This thing not lining up.
It's going, isn't it? Is that it?
Yeah, I knew this was the screw. I'm just...
You're screwing it. Uh-huh. Who's the man? Who is a good friend?
Jay Cut.
That's right. Hooked you up. I saved you a lot of money.
I knew I had more screws. The Spains don't lose screws.
This screw did not lose a screw.
What is this screw? This is the longer screw. I could just get this thing in there.
You can get one started in that down there, I think you'll be good. Oh, you had that one right there too. Yeah, NR, look at that.
Man, I can't believe how bright that is. It makes me want to replace it. I don't think that one works.
I got more LEDs, so you're good to go. We'll put one in there. It's awesome when you put an LED in the dome light. You'll be able to see everything in the truck.
Really? Because I can't see jack in squat.
Yeah, get rid of that old fluorescent.
You got one here?
Not for your dome light. You'll have to order one of those. I have those 194 bulbs that'll go in the things. Those things are amazing. I put one in my 4Runner, like I said the other night, and it's just like you can see everything in there.
When you put it in, could you say, I can see clearly now?
Yeah, I felt like doing that.
I don't know why the screws.
Time to make a new hole. Is it wallered out in there?
Yeah, I'm putting it in there because I ain't taking it back out.
Yeah, you're fixed on this door.
Actually secured, sort of.
We're good. Golden. Hop in there, and I want to see you open this door from the inside without opening the window. The old way. The new way. Like it's supposed to be, folks. Well, one fixed rig down, and now he's found another problem.
Oh, that thing always falls
Oh,
out.
we'll just show.
1, 2. Wow, I didn't know
Panel
there
bond.
were screws. 1 screw, 2 screws.
Oh, we'll just screw that thing we'll just screw that thing to death.
I wonder if I get any more block screws in here. Because I'm missing 3 of those dang block screws.
That's the best kind to get right there, those good ones.
I guess it's just the vibrations of the motor and the truck is getting older, but
That happens. Look at these about to come out of your gauge pod.
yeah.
Look at that. I just noticed that right there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just fixed it for him.
Everything vibrates in this truck.
That's part of a pull truck. A work pull rig.
You know, one thing I do wish this thing had a big console like the new trucks.
We can make that. They sell them at Harbor Brakes. I'm sure it would match just perfect for your interior.
I imagine, my God, it had a big console.
What'd you keep in your console?
I don't want to break it. I got a quarter stuck in here one time. I put it in a little change thing, it got stuck in there, and it's never been the same since.
Did you talk to it about it?
Like lovers do. We did it, Jay. 3 days.
Hey, it only took 3 days to do that latch. Well,
No.
really a day and, or just about 5 hours, oh, probably about 4.5 hours.
Light is over there. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, look at that density. See, if you get a dome light LED and you get rid of that, your truck will be on fire on the inside. You can you can have a club in there.
How much are those things?
They're not bad. They're like $3, $4.
But I could give you $3. You may have to order me one.
What look about it? Look at that. Like,
Amazing.
now all I gotta do is get rid of that.
Yeah.
Even though I kind of like the farm truck look, but I can see where it's chopped up. Look at it. Chopped, chopped, chopped.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Around your hand.
It's a bogger.
God,
cutting
damn
into
boggers.
It's cutting into one of them our boggers. I just put that back on there and just.
I want to go to Cleveland Tire and say, is this passable?
Yeah, tell them that is this thing. Ask them if it still has a warranty.
But you know what's nice about it? I'll be able to break this down really easy.
Okay. Yeah. It broke you down really easy. Is what that did.
Okay, well, let's scratch it.
Yeah. No, do the other foot. Maybe it's the other one.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the left leg. Well, we can weld this up too. We need to weld that up one day.
Yeah.
Because that thing's getting flimsy. Yeah, and that one, we need to do that. We need to weld that. Since I got my welder back. Or borrowed welder.
Okay, I gotta pick up that tailgate.
Why would you want to go buy a new tailgate when you can have this one that's shady? That's so hacked up. Well, I think it's really about to come apart.
Oh, yeah. I would open it.
Like if that tire was to slide and hit that just right.
But I do love the bull or the deer. The elk.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Volunteer Garage.
Perm Head Racing, the face of radio. Stephen Baines out.